We're out on the job site here in St. Charles, Missouri, and we are just west of St. Louis. This is Steven. He is with Koala of Gateway West.
How everybody doing?
So we've been working together here doing dense pack drill and fill in a garage.
Correct.
We're filling it with cellulose. What are your thoughts about the training you're receiving and how things are going today?
Honestly, we've had great training. Barry has been great. I'm so happy he came out today to help us. It's better than being in the attic. The dense pack is a lot simpler. It seems pretty efficient. We had a couple of snags, but we're moving right along.
We're now wrapping up the job here, and it's not taking very long. So it's been good working out here with the Koala Gateway West.
Thanks for coming, Barry.
Thank you.